Okay, least common multiples. Do you guys remember what multiples are?
20 is a multiple of 10. 30 is a multiple of 10.
That's right.
30 is a multiple of 5, so it's 20.
That's right. So it's easy to see multiples with Cuisenaire Rods because you can just grab all of the same color, you know, and say 5 is a multiple of 5, 10 is a multiple of 5, 15 is a multiple of 5, just like that, and keep going, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, well today we're going to learn about something called common multiples, and then we're going to talk about the least common multiple. It's super duper easy though. Okay, so they got a bunch of 3s and 2s here. Now what I want you guys to do is line up the 3s in a train and then the 2s in a train underneath.
Here, I'll do the 3s, you do the 2s.
That works. So the 3s can be on top and the 2s can be directly underneath them. Okay, so the girls made a really long line of 3s and 2s. So... No, we're not doing sucking thumbs. Okay, so let's just list some of the multiples of 3.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 39.
What's after 33?
36. 39.
Yeah, and you can keep going, right? How about the multiples
30, 12.
of 2?
That's easy. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30.
All right, and so on and so forth, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, what we're going to find is the common multiples of 2 and 3. Do you know what common means?
Same?
Yes, the same. So which ones are the same? That means they're going to line up exactly.
6.
Yep, right here.
12.
6. Whoops, where's 12?
12.
12. So all the way across here is 12. So 6 is a common multiple, 12 is a common multiple.
That's a common multiple.
How much is that?
18 is
Yep,
a common
18.
multiple. 24.
Mm-hmm.
30, 36, 30. 40.
36, and you're going to add 6,
42.
Right? 42.
48 and 50 something. 54.
50, what's 48?
54.
Or what were you at? 48.
This one's 54.
Okay.
48.
Haven, does that make sense to you? You understand? Okay, Haven, tell me what's the least of the common multiples? What's the very first one we said? Is 2 common with 3? With the multiples of 3? What's the common multiple? The first, very first, the least, the smallest.
6.
Yeah. So you know what?
0.
Well, that's not a multiple of these, right? We start with 3 and then go to 6, or we start with 2 and go to 4 and then 6. So we are going to just forget about all those, okay? Mm-hmm. So the least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. Now Haven, I want you to find the least common multiple of 3 and 4. And Zoe, I want you to find the least common multiple of, how about 2 and 6? Okay, ready, set, go. Haven's got 3 and 4, least common multiple of 3 and 4. And Zoe's got the least common multiple of 2 and 6.
2. Add 6.
You already know, huh? Can you show me with rods? Okay, so Zoe got out a 6, and she lined up 3 2s under it. So the common multiple, the least common multiple of 2 and 6 is 6. That's the first time that they both match up together and equal the same amount.
Just like 2 and 3, that's easy.
Haven, what's the least common multiple of 3 and 4?
12.
Say it loud.
12.
Yay! Now,
12.
let me show you a real
12.
cool... Okay, that was loud. Let me show you a really cool way to do this. You ready? How about 5 and 3. Okay, so here's what you do.
15.
Yeah, I know you already know it. In case you don't though, you're gonna line up 5 and a 3. Haven, watch, honey bun. And you put another 3. Those don't line up, do they? So we put another 5. Boy, I am not good with my left hand. And that doesn't line up. So we put another 3. Okay, thank you. Keep going. And then we'll put another 3 here because we want to make it longer. Keep going until they line up. Put another 5. All right, now they're the same.
15.
And it's 15. Good.
But I think the easiest way is just to do 5 times 3.
5 times 3. Yeah. Okay, so let's try maybe a more tricky one. How about the least common multiple
I know what
of
5 and 2 is.
6 and 9? Can you line up 6s and 9s? Work together as a team, please. All right, so the girls are gonna line up the rods. There's a 9 and a 6. Now we're gonna put a 6 up there, and that doesn't line up. We'll put another 9 there. That doesn't line up. Another 6 there.
18.
18.
I wanted to say.
Okay. What else can we do? How about the least common multiple of... How about 4 and 7? That doesn't line up, so we had another 4. Oh boy, it's getting pretty long.
Yeah, but I know what the answer is.
You do? What do you think?
No.
What was that?
Oh,
Oh, I think you found it. Okay, what is the answer? What's the least common multiple of 4 and 7? Haven, what is it?
4 times 7?
The least common multiple of 4 and 7. You figured out that it was 4 7s, right?
4, wait. Just do 7. So we stop.
There's 7 4s because you lined those up.
4, 8, 12. There's an easier way. 16, 20.
She's adding 4s.
24, 28.
28 is the least common multiple of 4 and 7. Okay, do you guys understand that?
Yeah.
Pretty easy, huh? You just line up the rods and see when they match. Good job.